That HDR file captures an extended range of luminance data far beyond what standard images can represent. The foundation of high dynamic range photography. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you view, edit, or tone map these HDR images. Just a heads up, when we get to our final point, the one-click fix, we'll be discussing the value of a single powerful HDR file inspection tool. HDR files are high dynamic range image files, storing pixel data with extended luminance ranges beyond standard 8-bit images. They capture the full range of light in a scene from deep shadows to bright highlights, using floating point color values for photographic and 3D rendering use. HDR files typically use the Radiance RGBE format, storing red, green, and blue color channels with a shared exponent byte. This compact representation of floating point data captures luminance values spanning many orders of magnitude in a relatively small file size. Your first application to test with HDR should be Adobe Photoshop from Adobe Systems Incorporated. Metadata editing, crucial for this file, requires a specific application beyond standard Windows viewers. Windows offers built-in viewing for many formats, but editing depth depends on graphics applications. Your most critical first action is the file association test. Right-click the HDR file and choose Open With. If Adobe Photoshop is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. We must find the correct software. If the HDR file is still giving you trouble, relax. Don't be confused by the error message. Here are the 3 most common technical reasons your HDR file is not opening. First, viewing the image. Open the HDR file in Photoshop GIMP or the free HDR View application. Standard image viewers may not display HDR files correctly because they cannot render the extended luminance range. Dedicated HDR viewers apply tone mapping to display the full dynamic range on standard monitors. Next, tone mapping. Open the HDR file in Photoshop and use Image, then Adjustments. Then HDR Toning or Luminance HDR free to apply tone mapping algorithms. Tone mapping compresses the high dynamic range into a displayable range while preserving detail in both shadows and highlights. Finally, using in 3D rendering. HDR images are widely used as environment maps for image-based lighting in 3D rendering. Load the HDR file as an environment texture in Blender 3ds Max or Unity to provide realistic lighting and reflections for your 3D scenes using the captured real-world illumination data. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.